Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the AFFVER A4 Dual Channel Dash Cam that records 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear camera. It has 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfer. It has inbuilt GPS, a 3.5-inch LCD screen. It supports loop recording and also parking monitoring. In this video, we will go through the specifications, build quality, features, and at the end, we will see how this dashcam actually performs on the road. So let's see what's inside the box. So they have written some tips that you should be reading before using this dashcam. So it's a must. If you want to use this dashcam efficiently, you should read these tips. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you will find a manual, a warranty card. It comes with a 12 months warranty. A quick setup card in which you are told how to set up this dash cam, how to set up the memory card, and if you are having some trouble, you can just see the videos regarding this camera on their official YouTube channel. 2 electrostatic stickers, one for the front and one for the rear camera. Inside the box, there is another box in which you will find an extra adhesive sticker for the front camera and some clips which have adhesive as well. For managing your cable inside the card, they have provided these clips. You will get an SD card removal tool and a small box for storing your extra SD cards. You will also find a rear camera. It comes with its own extra adhesive sticker as well. The rear camera is rotatable. It has a 155-degree wide-angle lens. And it records videos in 1080p at 25 frames per second. The power cable has its own secret lighter adapter. It is Type-C, and there is another USB Type-A port at the back of the secret lighter. And there is a crowbar trim removal tool for installing the dashcam cables. The camera is quite lightweight. I was expecting it to be a little bit heavier. Regardless of this, the quality seems good. And I think good quality materials have been used. At the front, you will find the 160-degree wide-angle lens and speaker. The camera has inbuilt GPS, a port for the rear dash cam, and a Type-C port. At the bottom, you will find buttons for navigation of the menu of this dash cam. It has a 3.5-inch LCD screen, and on the side, there is a SD card slot. It comes with a 64GB SD card. The dashcam has a low-profile design, so it will not disrupt your view while you are driving. This dashcam comes with a detachable mount, so when you are not using the dashcam, you can just take the dashcam off from this mount. I prefer to set up the dashcam before installing it into the car, so let's power it on. I attached the rear camera and the power source. Now let's see how it starts. We are welcomed by a logo of a car. And it asked me to format the card. So we will format the memory card. You will need some time to getting used to using the buttons at the bottom. And the formatting was done within few seconds. The screen of the dashcam is showing information like your speed, the coordinates, the time. You can view both of the cameras in the same screen, or you can toggle between these cameras. You can choose the camera to only display the time as well. The settings menu is easy, but you will need some time to getting used to the buttons. I usually prefer to use the app to adjust the settings of the dash cams. So in my opinion, you should just use the app because using these buttons it's a bit difficult for adjusting settings. You can choose speed units, you can choose whether to show the watermark, or you can adjust the parking mode, and you can see various other settings that you can adjust from the camera directly. I will install the dashcam behind the rear view mirror. Before installing it, I will see how it fits behind the rear view mirror, so it's a good thing to see where you will be attaching the dash cam. Now that I have found the place where I will be attaching the dash cam, now I will be cleaning that area using isopropanol. I will spray it all over that area and I will make it dry using a microfiber cloth. Make sure that the place is totally dry and then peel off the protective cover from the electrostatic sticker and apply it onto the windscreen. Remove any visible bubbles by applying pressure of your thumb. Peel off the protective layer on the lens and the protective layer on the adhesive sticker that is attached to the mount. And then carefully attach the dash cam onto the electrostatic sticker that is applied on the windscreen. I repeated the same steps for installing the rear camera as well. Then attach the power cable and the rear camera cable to the main dash cam. Insert the 12-volt charger into the 12-volt outlet, and that's it. Start up the car and the camera will come on. I'm not a fan of hiding cables of the dash cam, as I like changing dash cams all of the time, so I just tuck these cables behind the handle and that's it, and they just hang there. And I am a bit too cautious about ripping open panels of the car, especially near the airbag areas. As this is a low-profile dash cam, it is not visible when I am driving, so I like this. It is just hidden behind the rear view mirror. You have to download the Pestio app. Setting up this app was very easy. You just have to add the camera and add the Wi-Fi password, that is 1234567 and that's it. The camera will be connected. It is very easy to connect this camera. You don't have to make any special account for using this app. In the app, you can live view the front and rear camera. It also has a speedometer on the screen. In addition to this, you can adjust various settings of this dash cam. You can adjust settings like the sound recording, speaker volume, video resolution, loop recording, light source frequency, watermark options like you want to show the date and time or GPS information. You can set the collision sensitivity, automatic screen time off. You can adjust the parking mode and various other settings conveniently. You can also see the recorded clips using this app. You can transfer the clips to your phone at fast speeds, as this camera has a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The size of a video file was 222 megabytes. And the bitrate of the video file was 30,000 kbps, and the video is indeed 4K at 30 fps. Now I will be playing several clips to give you an idea of the actual performance of this 4K dash cam at the front and the 1080p rear dash cam. The colors are good, the contrast and the sky is not blown out. You can see the blue color. This camera doesn't have HDR, but it is managing the colors and brightness quite well. And the number plates are legible and the text is sharp. I like the performance of the front cam better than the rear cam because the rear cam has some reflection going on. These kind of reflections really affect the quality of the video. So if you want to use the rear camera effectively, you will have to get some CPL filter or polarized lens. Otherwise, visibility can be affected. And this video was recorded while the car was parked and the camera detected motion and took pictures of it or a video of the moment. So I kept it at high sensitivity so it recorded most of the motion. The recording quality was smooth. There is no jerky motion happening at 4K resolution even when the rear dash cam is working. So I'm really happy. And you just saw that the truck was driving rash. So these dash cams are necessary on the road because there are so many people on the road that drive rash and accidents do happen. So in the case of an accident, you will have some proof and it will help you with your insurance claim. So my conclusion about this dashcam is that if you are looking for a dashcam for around $100 that has 4K front and 1080p rear resolution, records videos in good color, the light is good, the sharpness of the text is good on the number plates, it comes with a 64GB memory card, the app is very good and well designed, you can easily transfer files directly to your phone. But in the end, I will leave it up to you to decide whether this dashcam is good for you or not. So this was all about today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked this video, a thumbs up will be highly appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.